So I'm gonna try the Runcam Thumb. It's a nice little ND and powered by the battery drone itself. So it's quite light. What I've seen so far, the quality is not great, but I'm gonna judge it for myself. I'm gonna do some test fly. There is a bank holiday, but I see a lot of cars, so I'm gonna stay in a little area and just see what it can do. And I'll do some durability. I'm not trying to crash it, but I'm gonna push it. So as you can see, I kind of sent it into the tree. It stayed all whole, but the ND filter got ripped off. And I actually fixed it with some tape and it still got plunged off. So my recommendation is to make it even tight with some glue, I guess. I did tape the back shot and I'm very happy because that shape stayed shut. So the ND card and whatever is still there. I'm gonna see the footage and let me know. I have an extra Runcam, I'm gonna give it away. I don't know what the action or the challenge is going to be, but soon I'll be giving an extra Runcam away, so keep that in mind. Yo.